10, these back windows roll down.
Okay.
This one doesn't.
So guys, I'm with Al. We're in the 56 150 wagon. Two-door. I never been in one.
It's a handyman wagon.
It's a handyman wagon. He said this car is awesome. I've never been in a 56 Chevy wagon in my life, and this is so awesome, guys.
It's mine too.
So I was like, I said, Al, I've never been in one. He goes, come on, let's go. I go, where we going? I said, let's go get some lunch. Guys, check. This is so cool. I didn't expect today being in a 56 wagon. I love this car. Oh, it's so awesome. We're gonna go grab some lunch, guys, but my first drive ever in a 56 wagon. What mode do you have in here? 327, you said?
350.
350 automatic, 700 R4 transmission.
Fuzzy rear.
Power brakes, posi rear. Ride along in the 56 wagon two-door, guys. This thing is awesome. Check it out. I could live in this thing, Al.
Yeah, this is a cool car.
So how long have you had it?
This I've had, I guess, gotta be 7 or 8 years.
Like the fuzzy dice. Thumbs up, yep. I told my wife, I'm like, Liza, come with me, take a ride. She's like, no, I'm tired. If she would have known we would have been in here, she would have been so happy. Hey, you missed out, Liza. Smooth, tight too. It's nice.
Yeah.
That's really
Rattle.
nice. Nothing. Suspension's nice and tight. Shift's nice. Nice car.
Yeah, doing 1,000 RPMs.
Yeah, I got 50.
We're at 1,500 now, downshift.
That's my old place.
Yeah. I remember you had cars here too.
Yeah, that was my storage lot for the trade-ins that came in. That was my bullpit for trade-ins. Yeah, so guys, I'm really enjoying it. Like and share my videos. Jerry Metal Band Battaglia. We have hundreds of classic car videos from Long Island, New York. We have a nice community of good friends here. Al is taking me for the first time ever in a 56 Chevy. There's the clock, factory AM radio. It's really awesome, guys. Got 350 in here. There's a brand new 700 R4. 10 bolt in the rear, right?
10 volt posi.
Yeah, 10 bolt posi. But guys, this is so awesome. I'm really excited, and it's just a really, really nice car. And so the question is it for sale? Not for sale, guys. Not for sale. Everybody wants to know if it's for sale. He's got a 65 Impala wagon, though. 4-door, that's for sale. And I'll get some information on that.
That's with a little girl.
Yeah, I see that. Look how smile. You smile. These cars make you smile. So where are we going to do lunch? Where do you want to go eat? Anywhere you want to go. All right. So if you guys have any Tri-5 Chevys, check out all my classic car videos. I have a huge Tri-5 following, but this is awesome. Don's Hot Rod Garage. Don, I'm sure you'll be liking this video. Don has a bunch of awesome videos about his 55 and 56 Chevys that he's restoring. But my friend Al owns his car for about 7 years, and went over to the house and he said, you know, let's go for a ride. I'm like, I couldn't believe it. I said, well, if you ride, I'll buy the food. I was
good for me.
Yeah. Jimmy's Diner open? No, it's closed, right?
Got a what do you got? Pizza place area.
Okay. No worries.
You gotta know these guys, right? The Margarita? No.
Oh, Mama Lisa, my boy.
Yeah. That was you too? I remember when I was Tire King.
Yeah.
Dirty Gertie worked there. Remember that?
Yeah, my father bought that building, I think 2010, 2011. Well, guys, we're at a destination. We're gonna have some lunch. It's like Meals on Wheels, but I'm gonna give you a quick little walk around this car as well when we park it. This car is awesome, guys. There it is, 56 two-door wagon. Again, guys, subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Jerry Middleman Battaglia with Al going to lunch now at Mama Lisa's here in Shirley, New York. Beautiful car. Alright guys, like and share this video. Jerry Middleman Battaglia coming to you with another awesome car video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.